Whitemud Ravine Park. And we're here to do our fit checks for the day.
Yes.
You go first.
So I've got my hiking boots on. They're oboes. Oh, look. Oh, there's a muskrat already.
Good start.
Got my jorts from my ex-boyfriend. Got my Tommy Hilfiger vest from Value Village, and my black t-shirt from Uniqlo, and most importantly, the Knox. Hannah?
Alright, this is my fit. My shoes are from, well, they're from Designer Shoe Warehouse, but they're Columbia. My socks, don't know. Pants, thrifted.
Wait for it.
Just in case I get a little hot in the bush. Boom, baby. Boom. My tank top's from Goodwill, I think. My backpack, y'all Ravine. My binoculars. My monocular, Knox.
Just got a half a pound on.
And just in case I get a little chilly, we have the fleece.
Gorgeous.
Tradition Country Collection.
You look like a true granola girl birder.
Thank you. So
Proud
do
of
you.
you. Proud of you, sweetie.
Okay, we'll keep you updated on our travel. Beautiful. He's thinking about it. Oh my god. That's fucked up. I feel like he's gonna come back.
My raspy jazz boys up for that.
We got a what's that called? An alert. We got an anonymous tip.
Little ladybug in Hannah's hair. Yeah, oh.
Do you want me to hold it?
That's okay, I can do it one-handed. Ooh, it's got like stripes on it.
What?
Come here.
Is he like really in there or what?
Yeah.
That's kind of scary.
Here.
Oh. Jingies. I've never seen a ladybug look like that.
Had a bit of a bust at Whitemud Park.
We kept our heads up, but we continued to see nothing.
We heard lots, but nothing was really close and interacting with us. So
The only cool thing was right at the end when we saw 4 ravens that were doing like this weird dance thing. I'll attach a video. We got A&W.
round 2 celebration.
And
Looking forward to bigger and better things.
tomorrow's gonna be good.
Yeah.
Today just wasn't our day. But that's how it is sometimes in the birding world, you know?
Exactly.
You can't win all the time.
Gotta stay humble.
How the fuck did this guy need to park?
Oh my god. I thought there was a car parked beside you and I thought he was just backing right into him. But
Anyway, thanks for tuning in. I have to catch up on my things. Lots of love.
bye.
Bye everyone. See you in the next vlog.